Hello everybody, thank you for joining me today. This is going to be the first leaf cleanup of the season. It's not too bad, but you can see back here in the back in the flower bed, we're going to use the Ryobi to clean this up. And then over here we're going to mulch it a little bit before we bag it. These two trees put down quite a bit of leaves. I got this Ryobi blower during Ryobi days in June of this last summer. It's been really good, beneficial to have around the house. For one, you can store it in the garage. My wife can grab it, plug the battery in, and she can clean off the patio. Two, you just saw all the areas I was able to use it in behind the AC system and around the fence post and in the flower bed. So those are some situations in which I find that this Ryobi blower is really good. As you can see, guys, laying over here on the left, I have the water hose rolled up from the backyard. I have those that are in the front yard stretched out in the sun, trying to get pliable so I can roll them up and put them up for the winter. I think we're probably done with those. I've also got the covers put on the spigots for the freeze. The yard looks a lot better. I do appreciate you guys watching. This wood came from the deck. If you guys haven't checked out the video, if you go check that out, I'm gonna repurpose some of this into some planter boxes, and then I'm just gonna give them away. So those videos will be coming up, I don't want to say shortly, but in the near future. All right, guys, I do hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you. Have a great day.